Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. I just wanted to start off the vlog here. I literally am just ready. I'm about to go out now and take photos for the website for these new zip ups that are launching on Loud the Label. I think they'll be launched by the time this video goes up. That's why I just finished the one that I was recording, the last vlog, because I wanted to go up before they launch, because I showed you guys them in a bit more detail on that. So if you haven't gone and watched that, make sure that you do. And if you've got yourself a sweatshirt, comment below and tell me. Or yeah, I hope that you're enjoying it anyway if you did. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. I literally can't see because I don't have my glasses on. I don't have contacts in, so I don't know if I look like a weirdo or not. But yeah, I'm gonna go now and take those, and then I'm gonna just edit and have dinner and just get a few bits and stuff organised for tomorrow, stuff like that. And what are we watching? On Disney Plus, it has Selena Gomez and then two other like well-known actors in it as the main characters, but I can't think of the name. It's like Murder on the Street or something like that, or a Murder in the Building, something like that. Yeah, Murder in the Building, something like that. Yeah, so that is my evening. We'll probably watch a bit of that, and I'm going to probably go to bed early enough because I'm exhausted and I'm going to have a busy evening now as well. So yeah, welcome to the video. I hope that you enjoy. I am going to just vlog the next few days, just the interesting things that I have on. I have a Pennies event on tomorrow, so I am going to bring you guys to that with me. I think it's like 3 hours long. I don't know if it definitely is 3 hours long or not, but it's got all their new festival wear in it. I think it's like an event for that, so I'll show you guys all of that. And then I'm going to Westlife on Saturday with my mum and my granny, and we're going for dinner and stuff first. And yeah, whatever else I get up to over the weekend, which I don't have any other plans yet, but like I will obviously do something else. I'll bring you guys along with. So yeah, I hope that you enjoy. I'm going to do like a weekly vlog. It's quite a random day to start it because it's a Wednesday, but it's more because I had to finish off the last vlog that was meant to be a weekly one, and then I was like, there's no point in uploading it after these have launched, so I have already uploaded that one, and I'm going to do like a weekly vlog now. So yeah, welcome, hope you enjoy. This package just arrived from Sephora, oh god, Sephora. I'm so bad at pronunciation, I'm so sorry. Yeah, they're like a clothes shop. I was gonna say like a small kind of clothes shop, but they're actually quite big. They're in the Bridgewater shopping centre in Arklow. I've seen them before when I was there, and everything looked really nice when I was walking by in the windows and stuff. So when they reached out to me and asked if they could give me some of their stuff, I of course said yeah, I'd absolutely be mad not to. So yeah, they're so perfectly packaged, I don't want to open them, but yeah, so I might include them in a haul. I'm not 100% sure, or I might give you a quick, I might show you really quickly in this, but you'll see you'll see if I do or not in a few. Okay, I'll just show you quickly, but this green is not picking up on my phone camera. I think I'm going to run and get my actual camera. It looks very washed out in my camera as well. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the lighting in this room. But anyways, it's like proper like Bottega green, like so nice. So yeah, that looks gorgeous. That is €65. Well, I think it's a blazer. Could be a dress, a blazer dress for all I know. Obviously I haven't tried it on yet, but and this looks like a dress. I love the colours. They're so nice. Beautiful colour green, and then the orange one is just really nice. I actually rarely wear orange, but whenever I wear, people always say that it's like suits me or whatever, so probably should wear it a bit more often. And then these are jeans, they look really nice. So they're €50. So was the dress, I think. No, 45. Yeah, they look lovely. I wonder if it says the fit on them. They look gorgeous though. Organic cotton. They look like really nice quality, don't they? They feel stretchy and stuff, but they are a lovely wash. I actually really need jeans at the moment, so I hope that they fit. They've sent me those in a medium, so I'm hoping they'll be okay. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. Then there's a large in these jeans. Maybe, I don't know if they sent me a couple of sizes, maybe so that they fit, so I'm not 100% sure. or else, yeah, I don't know, but they could be the same fit as the other ones, but they're definitely a different wash, but they look really, really nice, like really like comfortable, but really nice thick quality, you know, but lovely and stretchy, which I need because I've bought so many pairs of jeans that I just don't feel comfortable in. They're just so uncomfortable, so then I just don't wear them. Because there's nothing worse than like going out for a meal and your jeans been like real uncomfortable and tight, and even if they fit me, it's just, they're just not comfortable. So it's not even that's the problem, it's just I think I just like having a bit of stretch. So yeah, these look really, really nice too. I'm excited to try them all on, but I'm also scared. They're €40. Here's a really cute t-shirt. I don't have enough t-shirts at all, but yeah, this is so nice, so I'm so happy to have one. They're like really nice colours, kind of like vintagey style, flowers and stuff, which I really, really like. So that is gorge. €17. I need some nice t-shirts to wear because all I wear is like hoodies and sweatshirts. Like that'll be so nice with just jeans. And then what is this? A top or a bodysuit? Oh, it's a top. Very handy. I need all of this, I really do. It's like they've gone into my wardrobe. Yeah, that's lovely. Just a plain enough black top. And then, oh, I'm obsessed with this colour. This is again that same green as the blazer. It'll be fab together. Really, really nice quality, just like €15 plain top that you always will just get so much wear out of. Ooh, the back is really cool. It has like a big rain cut out. I love that. And then these, I'm guessing, what's this, a skirt? Yeah, I think so. Yes, this is a skirt. I love it. I really, really like it. I really like it. Gorgeous. It'll be so nice with either this black top or this green top, the green with it. Oh, it's so nice. I sold a bag that I had in this colour and now I'm raging, so I might have to get another one. Gorgeous. Thank you so much. I'll put their info and stuff like that below. So while I'm here, I also have this delivery that I've been meaning to show you for literally days now because I'm such a genius. I keep looking at it and then forgetting. Oh my god, I cannot pull this apart for the life of me. Okay, so I've actually never heard Bobby. So yeah, I've actually never heard of this brand before, but all the products sound really good and I'm very excited to try them. So ultra moisturising body milk. Can't go wrong. I need moisturiser all the time. I have the dry skin in the whole world. I'm just going to open it up so I can show you the bottle. So there it is there. Gorge for dry and sensitive skin. Absolutely perfect for me. Oh, sorry, I can't open it. It's very hard to with one hand. I got it open. There was a little like lock kind of thing on it. Yeah, I was expecting it to have a smell, but it doesn't. I think it's probably because it's for like sensitive skin, so it's kind of like how E45 doesn't really have a smell, just kind of smells like cream, do you know, that kind of way. So yeah, gorge, so happy about that. And then this I'm very, very interested in, and same with this. So ultra moisturizing progressive tan, so it's just like a gradual tanning moisturizer, which I'm obsessed with the Bellamy Anta one. So yeah, finding good ones are like, Bobby just has to scratch his whole body right now. Yeah, so finding good ones are quite hard, but this is, I don't know if this is for your face or not, because there's also this smaller one which I would assume is for your face. Yeah, so I can't actually find the answer to that anywhere, but like I definitely assume this bigger bottle is for your body and this one is for your face. Oh Bob, come on. Like what? Having an itching session. Yeah, so I'm very excited. I'll have to really just try these out and let you know how I get on with them, obviously, because I've never tried them before yet, but if I'm liking them, I'll show you them. I usually do. So yeah, the prices, so for the gradual tan it's €22, and then the face one is 24, quite like they're normal enough, reasonable prices, and then the moisturizer is 14. So yeah, I'm delighted. I can never have enough moisturizer, especially like tanning moisturizer in my life, so I'm very excited. Guys, my Apple Watch just arrived. I'm so excited. This is the strap that came for it, and this is the actual watch. Don't mind my blister, it's disgusting. My new strap, it's like the one that I have for my Fitbit that unfortunately I only just got, but it is silver gold. I'll show you it. Ooh, it's lovely. Very extreme box. So this is the strap. I didn't really like, there was nicer straps that went with different ones, but I just wanted a silver actual thing to go with my other strap because I never wore it. Well, I used to wear my normal Fitbit one, but I prefer using this because it makes it look a bit more like an actual watch, and I feel like I can wear it all the time. But yeah, it's actually quite a nice colour though. Like, I'd actually wear that. I go into the USB thing, the smaller ones, like the new iPhone ones. So you don't get a plug with it, like you don't get a plug with the new iPhone ones. You just get the wire. But I've already got one, thank God. So they're like 25 euros plug. But yeah, well, you can still plug it in for something else, but actually you couldn't. That's gorgeous. Magnetic. Ew. Chad. Hey guys, I'm coming to you from a boiling hot room. I'm roasting. Like, the fans are right behind me. I don't know why I don't turn it on. The windows open and everything. But yeah, I've also just put fake tan on this morning. I haven't washed off yet. So yeah, I'm literally sitting here like sobbing while I watch back the Westlife videos. It was unbelievable. Insane. The sugar grapes are so good as well. Like, honestly, I had such a good time. It was so good. Well, my mom, my granny, and they both loved it as well. Yeah, sorry, there's like, I've been very bad at like the proper vlogging, like talking. There's no actual talking. It's just like, did this, then I did this, then I did this, and I just like barely remember to actually take videos while I actually was at the things. So yeah, sorry about that, but I hope you enjoyed anyway, because I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.